Hi guys, welcome to Excel channel. For today's video, we're gonna do playing MMK, but this is not MM2 cause I don't want to play MM2. It's too boring. I want MMK. I mean KMM. So yeah, and I'm going to trolling people as a ghost. Yeah.
So, guys,
Yeah,
my
let's
sister's
start.
vlogging too, but he's going to post it on.
Oh, I'm Sheriff.
My sister's going to post it on
YouTube.
and mine is.
TikTok. My sister gonna post on TikTok and mine in YouTube. Yeah. And I'm Sheriff. You're innocent.
Yeah.
Who is it? Who is it? Okay. Let's run and run. Oh, this is a bird.
Oh my God! You shot me!
I didn't know. Cause you're hiding in the body, so I didn't know in your there. So yeah, wait guys. Okay. Cause I didn't know, and why are you in my way? So I shot
Why
you.
would I know you're there? You're invisible.
So yes. Wait. Okay. What is not working? Okay, that's it. Okay. Let's pick like this map.
Maybe this one.
Yeah.
So,
Let's upstairs. Yes. I have a friend, guys. Amira. This is her. Amira. Do you want add her? Then add her. Look. This is her profile. Wait.
oh, I'm murdered.
This are her profile. Amira _0852. Okay. Yeah, that's it.
It's being rumored now that Mike is with
Oh, I just got like rare egg.
I don't know the status, pero
The rare egg. Oh my God! You're a murderer, brat. That's not fear. Okay. Yes. I'm invisible. Oh, let's do a like bomb. Bomb. Yes. Why I always getting innocent? Yeah. Why are you dancing? Stop dancing. So yeah. Yes. Wait, let's buy this. How much? This item is not currently for sale. Your account has not been charged. Okay, never mind. Yes. But let's go both the map. Let's both this mansion too. Yes. Oh my God.
Oh my God, you keep bullying.
Share it.
Never mind.
Wait, guys. Off my intro, what did I say? Hi guys, welcome to Excel channel. For today's video, we're gonna do playing MM2 like that, or I just say hi guys, welcome to Excel channel. For today's video, we're gonna do playing. Wait, did I say that? Wait, never mind. Okay, never mind. I don't know where is it.
He is the murderer.
Who?
The guy. I see him kill someone.
Okay. Wait,
I see the murderer, brother. I see. That guy is the murderer.
Yeah. Who's guy? Who's that?
Oh, she died.
Oh! Oh, gun. Oh, okay. You get it.
I didn't get it.
Ah, I just died.
Oh my god.
No. Oh my god. Yes.
What do I get? Disconnected and button.
Oh, the like time in here. This time. Okay, let's spectate.
Oh, he knows that we're going, so he's camping so we cannot get the gun and shoot him. Very smart.
Yes,
thinking.
that's
But
smart
camping
thing.
is cheating and ghost is cheating. I don't know,
Yeah.
y'all. I just don't care.
I think this merge is camping, so yeah, we can kill.
I look pretty.
Yes, naman. Simply underscore big Baki. Okay. And 100% chance. Guys, I just buy some like bomb, blue bomb, and I mean gold sheet. This is rainbow bomb. Yes, I just buy it. See, it's fine. And it's 12 Robux. Yeah. Yeah. What? Ako Hey! Why are you following me?
You're still alive?
Why are you following me? Following me?
Wait, I don't know.
Go! Why are you following me? Huh? Why are you following me? Why are you following me? Yeah. Yeah, it's true.
Gusto ito araw-araw.
Then,
Kaya araw-araw,
what
dark roast coffee.
think?
Ate, huwag ka nang patulog.
Yeah, it's yeah, it's true.
Hey, you have a knife. You have a knife.
Yes, I know. Okay, yes. Yeah, it's so what you don't.
Oh, Sherry.
Milestones start from their gifted brains. Nurture it with growth.
The tank, what tank?
Developmental milestones. Focus, memory, problem solving, and language.
What you get?
Nurture a gifted
What did you get?
brain.
Are you murdered?
Yes.
I'm Alex Young. My microphone. Together, energize more childhood story.
Can I one? Can I one? Hey.
No.
Ah, last person. Where's the last
Wait.
person?
Here.
Where? Okay.
There's two of them.
Where?
This is the other person. Ayan. Tanggalin mo yung knife mo.
Yeah.
And
Nasaan?
this.
Okay.
Nagka-hide.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Tanggalin mo yung knife type mo para
Yes,
bulaga.
I know.
Yung mga tinatago sa'yo.
Oh, okay, I'm victory. Yay! Yeah, guys, I'm victory.
So, a lot of success people is reading by us. The Rage Bait. I cut the video
Oh.
because I don't want drama. And yeah, so I cut the video so I don't want to y'all see the drama, but yeah.
Yeah, and goes.
So
Oh, let's go like that. Oh, let's pick up this hotel.
like,
Hello,
oh, I
Mira.
forgot to face them.
This is my friend, Amira.
Cold.
Nothing. Sheriff. I'm Sheriff. Guys, I'm Sheriff. It's my turn to shine.
Can you give me the gun?
Nuts, notes, note. Bem, huwag kang haharang sa daan.
Okay.
Why are you following me?
What do you mean following me? I'm up here.
Oh, and I'm here.
Oh, I'm gonna go get a sign so you can see where am I.
Okay. Who is it?
I don't know.
Oh, I just no. Never mind.
Oh, this guy, this
What
blue
guy?
one,
Blue.
blue hair. Slow, go down.
Okay.
Oh my.
Oh my God! Why are you in? Why are you in the way?
Bruh, you literally. I can't see you, and you can't see me, so we're equal.
And you said you're gonna get the sign. Okay, never mind.
3 clicks.
Yes, yes, yes.
So we never win.
Yes.
Wait, I'm gonna save.
A mango account night. So let's pick a factory. Yes. Who is this? Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. Oh my God! I'm just a girl. Oh, we. Yes. You think I'm lost falling up,
Ate, huwag ka naman,
you
nagbibidyo
like
ako.
this. Oh. Then, okay. Then why are you speaking Tagalog?
What? Oh, he's the. What the? Oh, he died, I think.
Bro, why you speaking Tagalog of
What?
my blog?
Ano
My blog.
sabi ko?
On my,
I said at least
plus,
he died, like something like that.
oh, Amira just changing topic. Holy Amira. I'm just joking. Amira, I'm vlogging. Say hi to vlog. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi to vlog.
Amira.
I'm vlogging, brother.
Hey, where's Amira?
I don't know.
Amira, my sister's vlogging. She's going to upload it on YouTube. Say hi to her channel.
Oh, the bird. There's. She's chasing the gun. The sheriff, I mean. and I just get the gun. Oh, the merd is in on the PC. Cause she didn't stab me. What do you mean stab? I think the merd is in on PC. I think. Hey, can I see your snow? So I can shut you. Oh, she is.
Don't show it.
Yes, I know. Yes. And I'm stuck. Never mind.
Die.
Yeah. No, I didn't. Bro, my aim is bad. Damn. Oh, she just jumped and I just shot her. Like, double jump. What I saying? Brother, the video is so long.
Same. What minutes are you? 16? Bro, mine's 15.
Bro.
Bro, stop with those with them avatar pissing me off.
Yes. Oh, let's pick this map. Guys, this vlog it's like this vlog it's have a part two. Yeah, this vlog it's have a part two. I want to vlog like 5, like yeah, this one. Still big more.
Oh my
What?
god, I forgot to hide my
Sorry, it's
my
just a
knife.
vlog.
I forgot to hide my knife.
Oh, fudging freak. Uy, hindi.
Dio mo. I need to hide.
Yes.
Wait, yeah.
Sorry, girl. I'm the wait, sorry. Girl is
Where's my
this vlog. Sorry, girl. It's just a vlog. Still for a vlog. I mean, for a vlog, I mean. Yes, the girl just like, the girl just like, yeah, the girl just angry, mad, cause I just shot her when I just invisible. Like, yeah, brother, my sentence.
drama?
Yes. Yes. Who is it? Shot the floating coke. Bro.
Shut up.
Bro, why? It's just for a vid. It's just for a vid.
Bro, I'm fucking pissing off. Look.
It's just for a
The
vid.
floating on 5, bro. I'm high. So, yeah.
It's just for a vid.
Don't chat. They might shot you. I'm just hiding because
Yes. The murderer is chasing the I mean sheriff. This is sheriff or hero? I didn't know. I thought it was a ghost. Guys,
Hey, your knife and
this
gun.
is for a vlog, so please don't bash. Guys, this is for a vlog, so please don't bash. Okay. Brother, my vid is so too long. It's like long now.
How much?
Huh?
How?
What how?
What number?
21.
Wait, 1 minute 18.
Bro.
I started vlog more than I start vlog. Like I vlogged before her, and she still so have a long time. Long minute? How many?
Yes, 21.
21 minutes. 21 minutes and 27 seconds.
I love this avatar so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for my sis to tell me this avatar.
Brother, don't have that.
Why? You don't know?
Embarrassing.
Oh, let's hide in this. Let's hide in the body. Oh, okay. Gone. Gone. Go. I just died. The gun in here. The camper. The go up camper. Okay, guys, this is for a vlog, so please don't bash. Okay. Ba't tinitingnan ka ng bird? Oh, why I speak Tagalog. The bird is looking at you. Go shop! Later? What later? Why later? I think the bird is like scared. I think she just scared. I think she's scared. Yeah. Wait guys, I will cut the video. Okay guys. Let's pick a meal base.
I don't know if I'm going to post this ad.
Okay. Amira? Amira, do you want to join my my vlog? Do you want to join? Oh my god. Hey. It's unfair for others. My Ava mugs these unvisibles.
Ate, iba kaya sa ng server?
Bakit?
Basta, bye guys.
Mga wait, guys. Oh. Guys, we're
That's
going
all. Bye
to
guys.
we're going to server hub cause yeah, there's a toxic. And bye, this is the end of my video. Bye, I hope you enjoy, like and subscribe. Bye.